What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter von Panda here. Hey, do you like going into Asian households? Guess what? You're not supposed to wear your shoes. It's just kind of a thing. Hey, but maybe you're just outside working. You don't want to take off your shoes or because they're really dirty. Maybe you're having a workman come into your house, dirty shoes. You don't want to have them take off their boots, whatever. Hey, what you need are shoe covers. Look at this, disposable boot and shoe covers. This is a pack of 100 and they're blue and kind of the medical blue. Let me just show you. They're kind of like a Tyvek paper material, and they just roll off. Look at this pack here. And man, these things, I think it's all one size fits pretty much all. Look how stretchy they are, right? So I can get these on, I think, just about everything. And you know, the bottom is sewn shut and the top is all elastic. So you just kind of, all you really need to do is get them over the sole, but most of the time they cover the whole shoe. So something like this is pretty inexpensive and they're great to have around when you have people in. Let's try them out. Well, looky here. They fit over my size 10s just fine. I feel like I'm kind of polishing the floor. You know what? I thought these might be really slippery and you'd be kind of sliding around and off balance, but it's not. I have pretty good traction. I don't know if that little white paint is part of that, but man, these work great. And especially if you're worried about the flooring or wood or trekking in dirt, whatever, these things are nice. Check them out. You can buy this whole 100 pack so that you'll never run out. I'll put a link to them in the description. Peter von Panda out.